Were the Salem witch trials' legal procedures truly fair? Imagine living in a time when accusations of witchcraft could land you in jail or even cost you your life, with little real proof. That's what happened during the Salem witch trials. These trials took place in the year 1692 in Salem, Massachusetts, and they are famous for their strange and often unfair legal procedures. So, were they truly fair? Let's find out. First off, one of the strangest parts was the use of spectral evidence. This meant that if someone claimed to see the spirit or ghost of the accused doing witchcraft, that was enough to convict them. No physical proof was needed, and these visions were based on dreams or visions that no one could verify. Today, we know that kind of evidence would never hold up in court. Back then, though, many believed the devil could take any form, so spectral evidence seemed convincing to the judges. Another unfair aspect was that the accused had no right to a lawyer. They had to defend themselves without legal help. The chief judge explicitly told defendants they could not have lawyers. Imagine trying to argue your innocence when you are facing accusations based on visions or hearsay, all alone. This made it easier for false accusations to lead to convictions. The trials were also very public and hostile. The accused were examined in front of crowds, often while they displayed fits or convulsions. These fits were seen as proof of guilt, even though they could be caused by fear or coercion. The magistrates used aggressive questioning, and there were no protections like cross-examining witnesses or rules about what could be said as evidence. This created a pressure-filled environment that favored the accusers. Conditions for the accused were harsh. Many were jailed in cold, dirty cells, and some confessed to witchcraft just to escape the terrible conditions or avoid execution. But many of those confessions were false, made under psychological pressure or fear. The court lacked clear rules or established laws, which meant the judges could decide how to run the trials without following a fair process. Bias played a big role too. Many accused were women, especially poor women or those who didn't fit social norms. The hysteria was fueled by fears of outsiders, religious suspicion, and social tensions. The entire process was driven more by fear and prejudice than by justice. Looking back, it's clear the Salem witch trials did not follow fair legal procedures. The courts accepted unreliable evidence, denied defendants proper legal representation, and operated under a cloud of hysteria. These events reminded us how important it is to have fair rules and protections in legal systems. It's quite shocking to think that such a miscarriage of justice happened, especially when it led to the execution of 19 innocent people.